Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video was meant to be a simple one, but things didn't go quite to plan when I was fitting my winter tyres to the MX-5. It turned into a little learning experience for me, so let's talk about it. So originally I bought a set of Michelin Alpine A4 winter tyres from Facebook Marketplace. They were £150 and they were barely used and pretty much brand new, and I thought they were the perfect set of winter tyres. And for a car like the MX-5 in winter, they seemed ideal. But what I didn't check properly was the date code. These were the tyres I picked up. Plenty of tread, great condition, but after getting them fitted, I checked the sidewall and the manufacturing date was 2014. Now, being completely honest, it had not crossed my mind at all when it came to checking the production date, and even the local garage didn't notice. What I learned afterwards was that the rubber hardens over time and older winter tyres don't grip like they should in the cold. So after I realised that, I wasn't comfortable keeping them on the MX-5. It's a light rear-wheel drive car, and especially where I live in the UK, I need the winter tyres to be as safe as possible. Also, another reason why is because my 1-year-old child will be travelling with me on some occasional trips, and there's no way I'm keeping 10-year-old tyres on the car. So I ordered a brand new set. Here are the new winter tyres I ended up getting. Goodyear Ultra Grip Performance 3. Fresh rubber, brand new, and honestly, I already feel better about running these through winter. Now let's quickly talk about why winter tyres are worth it on an MX-5 or any small rear-wheel drive car. Firstly, winter tyres stay soft in colder temperatures. Regular tyres, especially summer tyres, go hard and they lose grip. On an MX-5, you really feel that difference. Second point is braking. In the cold or wet, these winter tyres reduce your stopping distance massively. And third, confidence. Last winter, I didn't really drive the MX-5 that much, as I had the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres, which are more summer focused. This year, with proper winter tyres, I can actually enjoy the MX-5 more and feel safer when driving it. So, the lesson here is simple. Always check the date code before buying used tyres. Even if they look brand new, and even if the tread is perfect, the age really matters, especially for winter tyres. But to be honest, I'm glad I made this mistake, because now I get to share it with you and hopefully help to prevent someone else from making the same mistake that I did. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, please give it a like and subscribe for more MX-5 content, and I'll see you all in the next one. And let me know in the comments if you're using winter tyres this year. I'd be interested to hear what setups you're using.